Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set Google Chrome as default browser in your iPhone in iOS 14. So first of all, you need to go to settings, then scroll down till the bottom where you see the apps section. So these are all the apps installed. Now find Google Chrome. Okay, here is the Chrome option, tap on it. Now one of the options that you see, the fourth one, that is default browser app, is, as you can see right now, it is Safari. So you can tap on it and you can click on Google Chrome, right? Just like this. Now what happens is, now whenever you click any link, whenever you try to open any link, external link on your iPhone, then it will by default it will open in Google Chrome. Let me show you how. Okay, suppose I am going here and I am going to search for something. Suppose I'm going to search for Apple Music right here. Now as you can see, all the options below are showing the signs of Google Chrome. Okay, so we will go back here. Okay, I'm going to minimize this one. I'm going to here. Now default browser app is here. Still I am in the Google Chrome settings. Now if I again turn it back to Safari right now, and I'm going back here and I will again search here. Now as you can see, all of them turn to Safari, right? If I click on Apple Music, it will open in Safari. And if I'm going to settings, okay, here Google Chrome, right? And if I now search, and now if I click on Apple Music on the first option, now it will open in Google Chrome. So just like this, you can set Google Chrome as default browser in your iPhone, and all the external links will always open in Google Chrome. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.